All right, good evening, guys. This is Leslie with Got Hair and Glam. So this is the other unit that I created. Again, it's a frontal and just barely 2 bundles actually. So as you can see it, very cute. Again, I'm here in San Antonio, Texas. So it's actually a glueless lace front wig. So as you guys can see, I don't lift it up too, but yeah, you can see that. I don't want to tear my lace. I don't know if you can see that pretty good. I did my own makeup. All right. So again, if you have any questions, please see the link below, or you can email me at gothairandglam@gmail.com, just like the username. Ooh, that's sexy. Yeah, I love wigs. So again, this is for a client. Bye.